Let your fresh rain fall. Let your fresh rain fall. Fresh rain, fresh rain, fresh rain, fresh rain. Oh, fresh rain fall on me. Let your fresh rain fall. Let your fresh rain fall. Let your fresh rain fall on me.
Let the people praise thee, O God. Let all the people praise thee. Then shall the earth yield her increase. And God, even our own God, shall bless us. God shall bless us. And all the earth shall fear him. To our President, Dr. Judy Christopher McAllister.